Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm from DKM 3C. I'm here today to give a comparison between pencil and a mechanical pencil. I would like to tell about the primary function first. Both pencil can write easily, can use for drawing, and so on. And for the secondary function is, when you look for this mechanical pencil, it's in high quality, easy to draw a graph, expensive than pencil. Have to buy, but the disadvantage is we have to buy the leads whenever it's finished. And even the advantage is for this mechanical pencil, it have an eraser, so we can save space in our pencil box. As we go to the pencil look neat, less maintenance, pencil strength easy to erase, weakness pencil easily can break. The weakness of this pencil is it can easily break, and pencil have to be sharpened often. Thank you.